Remember, a speeding BMW dragged a woman for 100 meters. And in the latest breaking news coming in, we're learning that the Worli police have recovered and confiscated the BMW car from the Bandra area of Mumbai. The Worli police have also detained Rajendra Singh Bidawat, who was present inside the car. Mihir Shah is absconding still, but the police are questioning his father, the Shinde Sena leader Rajesh Shah. No arrests have been made in this case so far. Let's first up hear it from the Chief Minister Eknath Shinde, who's promised strictest of action in the case.
जो मुंबई में हिट एंड रन का जो घटना जो हुई है बहुत ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है, दुखद है और मैंने पुलिस के साथ बात की है, मेरी बातचीत हुई है। इसमें कोई भी हो उसको एक नज़रिए से देखा जाएगा, किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। कानूनी कार्रवाई जो है वो सख्त की जाएगी नियम के अनुसार।
जो घटना हुई बहुत ही एक दर्द देने वाली बात है। खुद की आंखों के सामने अपनी उनकी बीवी जो है वो घसीटी लेके गई और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज यही, सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात यही है कि ये सब सीसीटीवी पे आ गया है। अभी जांच इसी पे है, वो जो चालक था उसे ढूंढ रहे हैं। मेरी ये अपेक्षा रहे कि जल्द से जल्द उसे काबिज किया जाए और जेल की सजा दी जाए। मेरी डिसेंसी तो मैं यहाँ रखूंगा और मैं इसको पॉलिटिकल रंग नहीं देना चाहता। मैं यही अपेक्षा करूंगा कि जो भी सरकार है वो यहाँ कोई फोन ना करे, अगर फोन कोई करे तो उसको जल्द से जल्द पकड़ने की बात करे, कोई राहत देने की बात नहीं।
Let me quickly go across to my colleague Yasha joining us with more details. It's been hours at length, and the big question that continues to be asked is why no arrests have been made so far. One of the two people present inside the BMW car during the time of the accident, though, has been detained, is what we're learning, Yasha.
Absolutely. In fact, to speak of this very instance, there are two people who were present in the car when the accident took place. One is Mihir Shah, the other one was Rajendra Singh Bidawat. Now, he was the driver in this case, whereas Mihir Shah is the son of Rajesh Shah, who is an office bearer from the Eknath Shinde faction, which is where we saw that that it was Aditya Thackeray, who is in fact the MLA from Worli constituency, who had visited. He in fact though refused to comment on whatever the political links are in this case, but said that there should be a fair probe in this case. Parallelly, we've also heard Eknath Shinde, the Chief Minister, stating that irrespective of any connections, there'll be a fair probe, and he's already spoken to cops in this case. As of now, of course, Mihir Shah is absconding. Cops are also trying to understand if any of them who were in the car were under the influence of alcohol. There's a case which has been registered under the Motor Vehicles Act and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. In fact, there have been 4 to 5 sections of both the clauses that have been added in this. After the accident took place, in fact at Worli, wherein one of the fishermen who was on the two-wheeler, he sustained injuries, whereas his wife succumbed to injuries at the hospital in Worli itself. The case has been registered against both Mihir as well as the driver. After the accident, the car was abandoned at Kalanagar, and from there, cops have seized the vehicle. The investigation is further on. As of now, forensic examination of both the vehicles is also underway. Of course, questions are being asked when it comes to this very case, considering there are parallels being drawn. Before this, when you speak of the Pune Porsche drunk driving case, the accused in that case was, of course, politically linked, and though there were names of NCP Ajit Pawar faction leaders which have come out,
Okay.
here the names of Eknath Shinde faction leaders have cropped up. Yes.
Okay, let's see how this plays out. Politically speaking as well, there's going to be a certain pressure that's going to be felt by the Maharashtra government.
Thank you for watching CNBC TV 18. For all the latest news and updates, do follow us on our social media platforms.